See how fast I swallowed that? Did you see that? That's called tender. Today we're in a little hidden garden in Winter Park, and we're exploring a creative, carnivorous menu at a place called Garp Fuss. Let's check it out. But first, a quick shout out to our sponsor, Giant Recreation World. Thanks for the RVs we use to highlight Central Florida's food scene. We are here at Garp Fuss. I'm with the owner, Vincent. Thank you so much for letting us try this food today. I'm excited. What's your favorite thing on the menu? When you get a little downtime and you get something to eat, what do you eat?
The steak frites. It's just a different spin on the traditional steak frites.
So you're a meat man.
For sure.
I happen to be a meat man as well. We're gonna get along just fine. All right, fantastic. This is the Steak Frites at Garp Fuss. It's 10 ounces of hanger steak with a peppercorn demi-glaze on top and some truffle French fries, baby. It's hitting on all cylinders for me right now, the looks, and they even deliver the knife. You pull it out like the sword in the stone. Let's do this thing, all right? A little pink in the middle. Oh man, so much flavor. You can taste that char all up in there. And the demi-glaze on top, that's a peppercorn demi-glaze, adds just the right amount of flavor to that. All right, and then we have some truffle fries. Can you actually taste the truffle? Oh yeah, there's actual truffle on there. That is good. I love when I can taste that grilled flavor. Sometimes they give you just a little line of the peppercorn dressing. They coat this thing. It's good. I'm not saving any of this for my camera people today. Garp Fuss. This is in the hidden garden in Winter Park. It's not easy to find, but it's pretty hard to leave.